Which platform will make you rich in 2026? In today's world of online betting and crypto-friendly gaming, platforms like Rainbet and Roobet attract a lot of attention. Both promise exciting betting markets, casino games, fast payouts, and the chance to turn small stakes into big wins. But when you strip away the flashy graphics and marketing slogans, the real question remains: can either of these platforms actually make you rich? Let's break down how they compare in 2026 so you can decide which one, if any, fits your goals. First, let's talk about Rainbet. Rainbet has carved out a niche by offering a large variety of markets: traditional sports betting, esports, casino games, crash games, slots, and more. What draws people to Rainbet are its promotional offers, sign-up bonuses, free bets, and frequent incentive campaigns. It's easy to see ads showing big winners and feel like your own big payday is just a few bets away. Rainbet's interface is modern and visually appealing, with easy navigation and quick access to different betting categories. You don't need to be a seasoned bettor to find a game or market you're interested in, which makes it appealing for casual players. However, the simplicity and promotional hooks also come with a big caveat: high risk. Markets like crash games and exotic odds can be fun, but they are designed in a way that statistically favors the house over time. On the other side of the comparison is Roobet. Roobet has built a strong reputation in the crypto betting and gaming space by focusing on fast, streamlined experiences. It offers a solid selection of casino games, crash games, and other high-volatility markets. Its integration with cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum attracts players who prefer fast deposits and quick withdrawals without traditional banking intermediaries. Roobet's strength lies in its speed and accessibility. The platform is designed for quick play, and it often feels more responsive and optimized, especially for mobile users or bettors who want to jump into games without a lot of setup. Roobet also tends to appeal to gamblers who like high-risk, high-reward situations, games where you could theoretically win big in a short amount of time. But here's the reality: both Rainbet and Roobet operate on market mechanics where the house edge exists for almost every game. That means that while you can win big occasionally, the odds are statistically against consistent profits. Betting platforms are entertainment products first, and anyone who tells you otherwise is overselling the experience. When comparing the two head-to-head in terms of earning potential, there are a few key things to consider. First, odds and payouts. Rainbet's variety of markets sometimes offers promotions or higher-than-average payout percentages, but that's often tied to wagering requirements or conditions that limit real cash-out potential. Roobet's payouts can also feel generous in certain games, but the volatility in those games means you can lose just as quickly as you win. Second, risk management. Neither platform offers tools to help you manage risk in a way that guarantees profit. What both offer are frameworks where you decide how much to stake and when to stop. Turning betting into long-term profit requires discipline, strategy, and sometimes external analytics, none of which are built into these platforms as guaranteed. Systems. Another factor in 2026 is regulation and compliance. Rainbet and Roobet both operate in a landscape where gambling laws vary widely by country. This means that availability, legal protections, and wagering conditions can differ significantly depending on where you live. A platform that works smoothly in one region may not be legally accessible or regulated in another. So when you ask, which platform will make you rich? The honest answer is that neither platform guarantees wealth, and both carry significant financial risk. The chance of getting rich from betting is always tied to luck, timing, and taking outsized risks, not a sustainable or reliable income strategy. But if you are determined to engage with these platforms, despite the risks, here's how they differ. Rainbet might appeal more to casual bettors and those who enjoy promotions or varied markets. It's approachable and has a broad range of games. Roobet might appeal more to people who want a fast, crypto-friendly experience and prefer high-volatility games where big swings are possible, for responsible players who understand that betting is entertainment and not a job. Both platforms can offer excitement, but for people looking for long-term financial growth, traditional investing, saving strategies, or skill-based ventures are far more dependable. If this comparison helped you decide which platform fits your risk tolerance in 2026, Leave a like, subscribe for more honest betting platform breakdowns, and tell me in the comments, do you prefer a varied betting experience or fast crypto gaming? Stay safe, play responsibly, and I'll see you in the next one.